Hey guys, welcome to another episode of League Basics. Today we're going to be talking about the mid and jungle 2v2. Mid and jungle are two of the most impactful roles when ahead, and when you ask yourself why that is, the first thing you're going to notice is that they're centralized. Mid is obviously in the middle of the map, and jungle can be all over the map, meaning when these roles get ahead, they're able to spread their lead into both side lanes. This can be done directly by roaming bot or top, or indirectly by pushing in a wave and sitting in fog or ward to threaten a roam. The first step to establishing a solid 2v2 is aligning your champion identities. Each champion has a way of playing the game that they prefer. Champions like Anivia like to sit back and skill for items, while champions like Graves want to counter jungle and fight the enemy jungler. These champions inherently want to do different things, meaning they would be a bad fit for each other. Anivia has a hard time getting the priority Graves needs to invade pre-6, and she also has trouble walking to the jungle fights that Graves would like to start. Look at something like Lee Sin with Twisted Fate and you can see the differences right away. Lee Sin wants to fight early to mid game when his damage numbers are high, and he wants to fight in the lane or in the jungle. TF has the setup to get him fighting in mid, TF is capable of walking into jungle fights that Lee Sin might want to start, and TF can get mid priority and ult to a side lane. A viable strategy for Lee Sin and Twisted Fate this game is to get a lead in their 2v2 and set up a 4-man dive, either bot or top lane, with the Twisted Fate ult. The 2v2 is all about synchronizing with your teammate. When both of your champions want to do the same thing, it's a lot easier to get that thing done. Influencing the entire map is the easiest way to have impact on any games you play. This is why roaming can be so impactful. I've got some homework for you guys today. When you're playing in your own games, ask yourself, how do the champions my teammates pick perform best? What environment do they thrive in? I hope you guys found some of this useful. You can use it in your own games. Best of luck on the Rift, everybody. Hey everyone, I just wanted to say thank you for all the views I've gotten on the last video. It's really inspired me to get grinding and start producing more content for you all. If you guys like what I'm doing here and you want to support me, I would really appreciate a sub. It helps the channel grow, and once we reach 50 subs, I'll be giving away a $50 RP card, so stick around for that. Also, I'm trying to be more active on social media, so if you'd like to, I'll leave my Twitter in the description below for a follow. I'll be answering any questions you have in the comments below. Peace out.